Hello and welcome back. We will discover all of the most popular components and concepts in this section. So, creating a logical application. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving a simple Olympiad programming task. So here is the task. Tim studies in the 3rd grade and now he goes through the topic simple fractions with a natural numerator and a denominator. It turns out that a fraction is said to be regular if its numerator is smaller than the denominator and irreducible if the numerator and denominator are relatively prime. So Tim is very fond of the mathematics and therefore at home he solves many problems. But at the moment Tim is looking for the largest correct irreducible fraction for which the sum of the numerator and denominator is equal to n. So we got here n, and this is the range of the n value here. So output should contain two numbers, the numerator and denominator of the fraction found must be separated by a space. We got input and output sample data here. If the input is 3, we have to get the 1 and 2 output. If it's 10, we have to get 3 and 7. Steps to accomplish the task. Step 1. We have to declare I, A, B, J, N or other named integer variables, and we have to add another x double variable. And we have to declare a nested while loop with these conditions: I less than n, j less than or equal to x. Next step is check a and b for even numbers in the while loops. Then we have to check the a plus b to n. Then if it's true, we have to break the looping. So here the a is denominator and b is numerator. So in step 3, we have to show the solution with a space, like write ln, b, and here space, and a. So let's start. So here we got simple Delphi console application. Here we can declare the variables. So I, it's for iteration, a, b, the numerator and denominator, and j and for inputting and saving the data on the variables, and they must be integers, and x it's double. And in the beginning we have to initialize and assign values to these variables. So write and read ln here and here, then I assigns n div 2 plus 1. For instance, n equals to 10, 10 div 2 it's 5, and 5 plus 1 it's 6 here. Then a assigns I here, b assigns n minus 1. For example, 10 minus 1 it's 9. Then we can write the while loop, I less than n do begin. Here we can increment the I value here with inc procedure. Then j equals 2, a equals I here, then a equals n minus I. Then here we can check the a and b for even numbers by modules. A mod j 0 and b mod j equals 0. Then we can begin the division here. A div j, then b div j. So then can come up here. J assigns 3, x assigns square root of n minus 1. For example, n equals 10, 10 minus 1, 9, and square root of 9 is 3. And here we can again write the while loop, j less than or equal to x, and do begin here, operations. So again we have to check the a and b for even numbers here. Can copy and paste this code. So here, but this time we can break the loop, else we have to increment the j value to two numbers. every time. So here we can check the a plus b for n. Then we can break all of the looping here. If a plus b equals n, then we can break. So in the end of this, the program can show the solution. B and here space and A. So save and run. N equals 3 and 1, 2 here. And here 10, 3, and 7. So that's right, it's working correctly. So if we want to learn all of the steps, all of the actions, all of the divisions, subtractions here, you can simply toggle the breakpoint to this while loop or another while loop here. Then you can simply run with debugging this application. You can use the tab, debugging is begun. So here we can select the step over F8. All of the operations is doing now, incrementing, and again it's doing from the beginning of this code, checking, incrementing, and the solution here 3, 7.